Hello and welcome back to another video with laserengravingbusiness.com. And I know I haven't been making a lot of content lately, and I do plan on getting on a very consistent schedule here in the future. And hopefully my life has cleared up a little bit of time to where I can devote a little more time to making videos. But the purpose of this video is I just wanted to go over a little trick that we did last year that made us a lot of money. So a lot of people do things like Christmas in July, and one of the things we did last year was Christmas in July, and we offered I think it was about 3 different types of ornaments, and I do have ornaments and Christmas tags, I believe it was, and I have some videos on a few of those projects, and I'll link those in the description. But so basically what we did was we sent out a post through email and through our Facebook, and basically the post was just saying that we have we're offering these ornaments, and we're offering these Christmas stocking tags and whatever else you want to sell, and we described everything, the price. We gave a pretty good discount, so I think the normal price for one of the ornaments was around $20 for this particular ornament, and we were offering for $14, so the customer got a pretty good discount by doing a pre-order in July. And it also allowed us a lot of time to make these. And so within that post we also said that you would get the ornament sometime in November, a call to action for the customer, and they feel like they're really getting a good deal, and it's a deal that they will never get for the rest of the year. And so we probably made around $2,000 or so in just pre-orders in July, and that doesn't even come close to the total amount of money we made for all of our Christmas sales. So Christmas is a really big seller for laser engraving. People are always looking for personalized items like stocking tags and ornaments, and people are looking for things like do-it-yourself painting kits, and the list just goes on. Door hangers and wreaths, and just all kinds of things that you can make with a laser. So right now is the perfect time to start advertising for Christmas in July. So start getting your ideas together, and start thinking of a way you can market this to your audience, and get all your pre-sales together, and collect your payment right then and there, and ensure your customer that you will deliver the product by a certain day, maybe in November, before the holidays gets here. And you don't take those orders on unless they submit the payment to you. So guys, if you don't have your laser right now and you're thinking about getting a laser, whether it's Glowforge or some other type of laser, which I recommend a Glowforge if you're just starting out and you have zero experience with the laser, because it's just so user friendly. That's the laser I started out with, and I have zero regrets with my purchase. And you can use my referral link down in the description if you want to save $500 on the Pro or $250 on the Plus model, and that'll save you a lot of money, and I'll also get a benefit from that too, which helps me create all of these videos. But anyway, now is the perfect time to get your laser, because you have a lot of opportunity come November, December to start creating personalized items and gifts for people. And and many people start creating, start producing some of their items now, because the amount of product that you sell for the holidays can get a little hectic. So some people like to get a jump start. But if you purchase your laser now, you would be able to get a good feel of how it works. You get a good feel of if you like it or not, whether you want to make a business out of it, whether you want to sell some products for the holidays. You'll know exactly what you need to do. You can get accustomed to the software, accustomed to just how everything works, how to clean it, how to maintain it. And so now's the time. I have no doubt that if you purchase your laser today, by the end of the year, you will make all of your money back that you spent on the laser. If not, you'll get very close. But I have no doubt you'll far exceed the cost of the laser, and you will make a lot of profit. I have a lot of different ideas on my channel of products that you can make, and if you subscribe, I will make a point for here on out to start producing more videos. Not all of them will be just projects and ways to make money. Some of them may be some Inkscape type of tips, or maybe some Glowforge tips, and maybe some business tips, and various different ideas that I have in mind. And so you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to get some good ideas and some good tips. And YouTube is completely free, so you don't want to miss out on that. But I believe that's all I have. You guys need to start thinking about what you're going to want to put up for pre-sale, and get that ready for July, and make a lot of money this year. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and thanks for watching.